Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make Aidan fruit powder. I'll be sharing all the uses and the health benefits of this Aidan fruit powder. So to make this Aidan fruit powder, you will need a healthy Aidan fruit pod. Here is the Aidan fruit pod. If you want to turn your Aidan fruit into a powder, please make sure that the Aidan fruit pod that you're using is healthy. It have not spoiled. You can notice that this one has spoiled. I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to wash the Aidan fruit properly because sometimes it can be dirty. So when I'm done washing the Aidan fruit, you can decide to use paper towel to pant it dry, or you can decide to spray it out and allow it to dry. You can just air dry it. So the next day, the Aidan fruit is properly dried. Now I'm going to add it into a mortar. I'm going to crush it, or you can also use your knife and cut it into smaller pieces. So you can see the seed from the Aidan fruit, which contain essential oil and some other nutrients. And turning it into powder, you can get all the nutrients into the powder, and also it is a great way to preserve it. So when I'm done crushing the Aidan fruit, I will spray it out on oven tray. I'll put it in the oven and allow it to stay for about 3 minutes. So during this process, you can notice that the Aidan fruit will release its flavors and oil. Then 3 minutes later, I'm going to remove from the oven and allow it to cool before blending. So when the Aidan fruit has cooled down, I'm going to add into the blender. You can also use your commercial blender to blend it into a fine powder. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to spray it out and allow it to cool before sieving to avoid moisture when you store it. You can decide to skip this method if you don't want to sieve yours, but I like to sieve mine. I can use the powder one to make my soup. So the leftover from the sieving, you can use it to make your tea, which you can drink, or use it to wash your hair, or use it to take your bath. Aidan fruit contains some important nutrients which will help to improve circulation, blood flow. It can be used to treat digestive problems, infection, improve fertility. It can also help to shrink fibroid at the early stage. Aidan fruit has antibacterial properties which will help to soothe and calm the skin. It will help to heal skin issues and also good for straightening the hair. So if you want to enjoy all the nutrients from the Aidan fruit, you can use it to prepare your tea or your soup. Please make sure that you store this in airtight container and use whenever you want. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.